In this video, we are going to show you how to create a custom object in Zendesk. Now, to do this, you need to sign up and sign into your account. And once you're in your dashboard, look towards your upper left corner of your screen. You're going to see support. There's going to be a drop-down icon, so click on this. And you're going to see a lot of options here. You want to click on Admin Center. When you do, a new tab will appear on your browser, bringing you to the admin center. Wait for it to load, and once you are here, look towards the main menu on your left hand side. You have a lot here. Here you want to click on objects and rules. So click on objects and rules like so. And once you're in objects and rules, you want to look at the new options here. Under custom objects, you want to click the only option, which is objects, right? So click on this. As you can see, wait for it to load. Now, to create an object, just again, click create object here, and then just enter everything. So display name, plural display name, object key, description, record icon. So you can add image icons for individual records. You can actually add attachments too if you want. And once you've done everything and you give it a once over, you'll be good to go, and just click on create object and you will be set. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.